Welcome back to another plant show. My name is Beef. I know you already watched the other plant show, but we have a string of pearls. Mom, you've got the things.
Open it first.
Well, here we go. What? A box? A box. Package and another package. A package and a package. How many packages? Holy moly. Open it. Oh, it has dirt coming out. I mean, this is the plant. This has the plant. I see a plant. Is it? The string of pearls.
Show it.
Okay, we're okay. Let's restart.
Okay, what kind of string of pearls? Are they regular string of pearls?
No.
What kind are they?
Here.
What kind are they?
Variegated.
Which means what? Look at the color.
White!
That's right. Do we have a regular string of pearls too?
Mm-hmm. Let me show them to them. Here's the regular one. See? It compares to this one. But it's not big.
Tell me about them. What kind of sun do they like?
Bright.
What time of day?
Daytime.
Morning.
Morning.
And how do we water them?
From the bottom. So, and we all show them our guesses.
How about we show them later?
No, I'm sure.
Okay.
And this is me.
What do you say? What do they need to do?
Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button up the top. And hit that bell.